wrap presents. It's officially present wrapping time. Let's do it. Let me quickly run down everything I got. This is all for Whitney. So we got Whitney a remote control Minnie Mouse because she's wanting to do the remote control stuff of Mavericks. So we got that. A little dress up thing. This I thought was really cool. It's talking flashcards. She also is wanting to play with Maverick's tools, so got her little tool set. Maverick wanted this tent set and specifically said Whitney was not allowed in it. So we got her one too. She loves the little people. So we got her little people. Decided to get her her own tablet. A little counting pig, because it's so cute. A toy microwave. She loves to stack, so we already have cones, so I thought this would be a nice little addition. And I'm really excited for her to see this. It's the little Live Pets, the duck that waddles. I think she's gonna like this one. And then the last two things we got her. Decided to get her a vanity that she can sit at. And I loved this as a kid. So we got her a sit and spin because I think she will like it. And I know I loved it, so yes. Okay, now we just have to wrap everything. I'm gonna try to wrap all of her stuff and then hopefully I will have time to wrap Mavericks, but if not, that'll be okay. I always also do different wrapping paper. So Maverick is getting Grinch, the Grinch ones, and Whitney is getting, oh shoot, Whitney's getting Paw Patrol. So let's wrap Whitney's stuff. So we've got all of Whitney's stuff wrapped. I'm gonna move them back upstairs and see if I have time to bring Mavericks down and get them wrapped too. Let's see. Okay, so for Mavericks gifts, I'm gonna show you in in groups, because I'm gonna bring some down, wrap them, take them back up, kind of thing. So the first thing we got is the Magna-Tiles construction set. I think he'll love it. Another thing we got is this fort builder thing. So, and this we got because every time we go to Walmart, he messes with it. So we had to get it. It's the record player. I think he'll like that. It looks fun. And then again, he asked for this tent set, so he's getting one as well. So let's wrap this bunch and then get another bunch. Okay, this is something Maverick has been wanting for a while now. So we got him an art easel. Next thing for Maverick is more tools. Just what the boy needs, more tools. He saw this and wanted it, so there you go. And then I saw this at TJ Maxx. I thought it was really neat. It's a write-on book, like you can write on here. And then this tells you stories, like to draw. So I thought that was cute. And then this sucker. We had to get because he loves excavators. And this is a remote control one. It's huge. So yeah, hopefully he will like it. This is the last bit of Maverick stuff. This is a handheld gaming system with like 20 games or something on it because he's been way into games lately. So we got that. Another thing for games, this you put into the TV and then it's like a gaming thing. And then we just got the basic Magnetiles. These things are heavy. A RC tractor that he can drive around. And a monster truck that he can drive around. And this one supposedly can go in water and dirt and all the things. So yes, let's wrap up this stuff. And I'm gonna have to rewrap that stinking excavator because I busted the wrapping on it. So let's do it. Okay guys, I got all of the wrapping done, even though I had to rewrap that excavator. But that's okay, everything's put back up. But the funnest thing ever happened while I was wrapping presents. It started to snow. I know you can't really see the snow falling. Oh, if you zoom in on this tree. Oh, look at it. So I have just been jamming out to the Wicked soundtrack and watching the snow fall while I wrap presents. It's like so wonderful. And my heart is so happy. But I think they're gonna head home soon because John just asked me if I had got any of Maverick's wrapped, which I'm done wrapping now. So, and I need to remember I've got to order one more thing for Maverick because Whitney has one more than he does somehow. So I need to get one more thing, but I think I know what I'm gonna get. So I'm just gonna turn Wicked back on, clean up, and watch the snow fall. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I should have Christmas music on, but I'm loving the Wicked soundtrack. It's so good. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. I'll see you guys. Maybe I'll take you along while we clean up. We'll see. Part 1 is done. Yay! Woo, part 2's done. Now let's put all this stuff back and listen to more Wicked until they get home. Let's do, I'm obsessed with What Is This Feeling? I think it's so fun. This is the first time that the table has been cleaned off in a long time. So I'm really glad that the table's cleaned off. I'm really glad that this section of the house is vacuumed and picked up. I actually think I'm not gonna clean up anymore because I need to start making supper. So I'm gonna start that. Wish me luck. I don't know what I'm making, but I gotta look to see. But at least this half of the house is clean, so at least there's that. Yay for me.